Welcome to this correct tutorial. In this video, I'll show you all the features available from the Account Payable Review view, including how to add and edit payable accounts, review transactions based on selected dates, accounts, and schedules. Let's begin by navigating to the Account Payable Review view. From the action card, select Platform to open a blank workspace. From the Aspect menu, choose Accounting, and then select Payable, and finally Payable Review. Add a new payable account by right-clicking on any existing account and choose Add Account Payable Account. In the Account Details section, enter a name for your new payable account. You may also complete any of the additional fields if needed. For this example, we'll just add a company name. Repeat this process if you'd like to add more accounts. To modify an account, simply select the account and then make your changes in the Account Details section. When finished, select the Save action. Now let's create a payable voucher search. To review entered payable vouchers, we'll follow these steps. In the voucher search section, enter the date from, the first date to include in the search, and the date to, the last day to include in the search. Select the Lookup button. This refreshes the transaction list based on the chosen dates, accounts, and schedules. If no account or schedule has been selected, the system considers all as selected. If you select a schedule within an account, only the transactions tied to that schedule will display. On the lower right side of the screen, use the Expand All or Collapse All buttons to adjust how much voucher detail you see. Expand All shows the chart of accounts impacted by each voucher. Collapse All hides these details. The button label changes to match the current state. To reset your view, select Clear Vouchers. This clears the current voucher tree and clears the account selection. And that's it. You've learned how to add and modify payable accounts and review transactions all in just a few steps. With Correct, your financial data is always available when you need it.